Configure terminal charges for accurate cost recovery. Depot charge management begins in the trade module to standardize logistics costs across terminal operations. The depot charges section defines the specific fee types applicable to fuel handling and storage at the depots. Creating a new charge entry establishes a unique identifier for specialized terminal services. Saving the record commits the charge type to the global registry for multi-terminal application. The depot terminal master links these defined charges to specific physical locations and distributors. Selecting a terminal profile allows for the granular configuration of site-specific commercial terms. Associating a product ensures that charges only trigger for relevant fuel categories. Assigning the relevant depot charges enables precise cost recovery during the loading process. Inputting the charge amount sets the fixed financial value applied to every transaction unit. Updating the terminal configuration enforces consistent billing and automates expense calculations across the supply chain. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.